Thank you so much. I am happy you are here. I'll be showing you how to install and activate WordPress themes on your WordPress blog. You don't have to give this out to anyone. You can do it yourself. This is the Solution TV, and these are tutorials are meant to help you to carry out these tasks on your own. Now, I'll be taking you to this tutorial very soon, very shortly. But before we do that, I want you to subscribe to this channel. I want you to write a comment, like this video, let this video go viral, and I'll be giving a gift to anyone who writes a very good comment. Thank you very much, and I'm taking you to this tutorial now. You are welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install a WordPress themes in the admin section of your WordPress blog. How to install a WordPress theme in the admin section of your WordPress blog. And let me inform you that you have to log into the admin area of your WordPress blog before you can do this. You have to log into the admin area of your WordPress blog before you can be able to do this. After you have logged in, then you click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your WordPress admin. Now I am going to do just that. Now after clicking on it, then you can scroll to the bottom to find where you have now you can see you click on appearance. You click on appearance. Under appearance tab, you find themes. What you now need to do is to click on themes and allow it to load. Allow it to load. You can see it has loaded. Now it gives you, if you from your after on this page, you will see some of the, you will see all the themes that have been installed already in your WordPress blog. You will see all the themes that have been installed already in your WordPress blog. But what we want to do with this tutorial is that I want to show you how to add a new theme, how to install a new theme. Now just come to the top section and you click on add theme. You click on add theme and you allow it to load. After you have clicked on add theme, now what you need to do now is to scroll down and do a search. Do a search. You can see the different categories: popular, latest, blog themes, favorite. It depends on what you want. But now we are under the section under the tab popular themes. So you can search the type of themes that you want. For example, if I want a WooCommerce theme or any type of theme, if you know the name of the theme that you want, you can do a search here by just writing out the names. Now what I always do anytime I want to install a theme in my WordPress blog, I always do a search on Google. I always do a search on Google for themes that can give me what I want. So after I have been able to get the name, I'll come into my WordPress admin and type the name of the theme. So but if you don't have such, let us assume I want to install a WooCommerce theme. Now I put that keywords or key phrase in that box. Automatically it will bring you option. You can see a lot of the options that it has given to you. You can see a lot of the options that you have. Now what you now need to do after you have seen these options is for you to click on any one of them that you want. You can click on any one of them that you want. Now under in here you will see the descriptions, the description of the theme, what the theme can do. Now you can look at these descriptions, what the theme can do, whether it is okay for you, whether it is useful for what you want to use it to do. So if it is useful, then you click on install theme. Click on install theme. Click on install theme. Then after its installation, then it will ask you if you want to activate. If you want to activate. So that is a simple way of installing themes, in your WordPress and through your WordPress admin area. So it will ask you if you want to activate it. Now, the moment you activate it, then it becomes the theme that is shown at the front end of your WordPress blog. It will replace the current theme. I believe you have enjoyed this tutorial. I want you to subscribe to this channel. I want you to write your comments and share this video with your friends. Also, I want you to give me suggestions about the type of tutorial that you want, and we'll be able to get it done and give it to you at the Solution TV channel, because we want you to be able to do this simple task on your own. Thank you so much for watching this video.